everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another unboxing for September and I've got the Asos £12 beauty box. The gorgeous design. So if you're new to Asos, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it, but if you've heard it all before and you're just curious and seeing what's inside this month's box, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. Asos bring out these beauty boxes monthly. They have been doing so for the last couple of years. They cost £12 a box, but sometimes they have a brand collaboration box. Those boxes tend to be a little bit more pricey, between £15 and £18. These boxes tend to sell out super fast, but at the moment you are still able to purchase it. As soon as I find out when it's released, I post up everywhere. So if you're not already following me on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, even Twitter, which I don't use that often, you're welcome to follow me, click the notifications, so then you'll never miss the chance to be able to get one of these boxes for yourself. They sometimes bring out grooming boxes for men, and Asos have got their advent calendar for 2021 available on their website at the moment. I've unboxed one of them. There's two, a grooming one for men and a beauty one for women. I've unboxed the beauty one. If you haven't already seen it, I'll pop it down in my description, and I have bought the men's advent calendar, so I'll be unboxing that over the next week. But amazing advent calendars, really good price as well, so yeah, definitely check them out if you're after an advent calendar. There's no set date when these boxes are released, but they are released usually within the first week or two of the month. So I think that's it as far as information goes. If I've missed anything out, or if there's anything you'd like to learn a little bit more of, then please ask away. All links and everything related to this beauty box, it isn't a subscription. They just release the boxes, you're able to see the contents, so you're able to judge whether it's a box for you or not. If you want it, purchase it like you would a pair of jeans. If not, then you don't have to. But details of this box, as well as other boxes they have on their website, you'll find down in my description. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that will bring up my description and everything would be listed down there. So let's get on to opening this up and showing you what's inside. So inside you find a little card and it details everything about this box, so I'll refer to this as we go on. I'll just give you a sneak peek first. Ooh, without it falling out. Have a spa day at home, bringing you the ultimate spa vibes. The latest face and body box has 5 self-care bits to get you feeling zen. Get ready for some seriously relaxing scents and luxurious formulas from head to toe pampering at home. Let's start with the essentials. Neom's mood boosting happiness hand and body wash, which is infused with all the stuff your skin loves. From uplifting essential oils to soothing aloe vera. I love this brand. I absolutely adore it. I've got a few candles now and they're just stunning. They do gorgeous body creams as well. So yeah, I've never tried this though. Super Shower Power Body Cleanser, Spearmint, Rosemary and Eucalyptus. 24-hour hydration, and there's 50 mils there. Ooh, what does it smell like? Oh yeah, I can just imagine that really waking me up in the shower. That is beautiful. That is lovely. It smells so minty and so fresh. Yeah, I like that. So yeah, scent to boost your energy. So there's that. It says next, pop on the headband by eco-friendly brand So Eco. I think I've only ever tried makeup brushes from this brand. I don't think I've tried anything else. This is lovely. Yeah, super soft. Wow, okay, let's try it then. It's all going to be covered in makeup now, isn't it? Okay. Then apply Lush's Dream Mask of Magnanimity. Expect your skin to feel refreshed and more hydrated straight away. I haven't tried this before. This is a power mask. What else can I tell you about it? It just says cover skin in a generous helping and let this cooling cleansing mask clarify and purify the skin. Scrub and rinse off to feel soft and perky all over. Ooh, Mask of Magnanimity. Oh my word. Oh my word. This brings back memories. It smells like mint choc chip ice cream. I have tried this before. Guarantee it. Maybe 20 odd years ago. I'm gonna have to have a look into this. I can't wait to try that. Mask of Magnanimity. Next, to pamper your feet and treat your toes with Sunday Rains watermelon foot soak. Simply fill a foot bath with warm water, sink your feet in and let the watermelon scented formula get to work. Now, I've tried this before and it is gorgeous. It is really, really lovely. I love the smell of watermelon. If you don't like it, then you might not like it. I have actually got a foot bath. My parents gave it to me. My dad bought it for my mum. She's never used it, so they said, well, you might as well have it, Claire. So me and my daughter then, we use it. I know, so I've got another one there. Happy with that. And then lastly, massage PCs. Is that how you say it? Oh, PCs. P-E-A-C-C-I. Massage PC's Cult Vanilla Mani Pedi Mask into your hands, arms, legs and feet. It's enriched with vitamins, niacinamide and shea butter to get you prepped for your DIY mani and pedi. Who's feeling relaxed already? We have got 75 mils here. And this is a new brand for me. I haven't heard of it. Vanilla Mani Pedi Mask. It sounds gorgeous. Vegan and cruelty free. Apply generously to clean hands and feet. For best results, wrap in a moisture glove, sock or wrap in cling film. Leave on and relax for 15 to 20 minutes. Remove and massage the residue into your skin or rinse off with warm water. Oh look, it's really thick. Oh, that's lovely. Oh, it smells really nice. Oh, it smells so, so lovely. It's not too sickly sweet vanilla, you know? Yeah, I do really like that. So those are all the products inside this month's Asos beauty box. I'll just go through them all, doing a bit of a recap. We've got a Neom Organics Super Shower Power Body Cleanser. We've got a So Eco really soft headband. We've got a Mask of Magnanimity, a face mask by Lush. We've got a refreshing foot soak by Sunday Rain. And lastly, we've got a vanilla hand and foot mask by PC. The cost of the box is £12, and although it doesn't have the value of the products next to the items on the little sheet, they do say that you are saving 68%. I really like this month's box. When I first heard about the contents, I was like, okay, let's see what it's going to be like. I much prefer to see visuals, then I can grasp better whether it's a box I will like or not. I definitely feel for £12, this is a really lovely box, a really nice self-pampering box. So yeah, I do like it. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of it? I know from my Instagram and Facebook, some of you are like, nah, you know what, it's not for me. Some love it. But I'd love to hear what you think. So please comment down below. And I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.